up, everybody? This is just a quick update video on my Arrma Limitless. I've been out testing it. You know, it's ready. It's moving straight. It's ready to run. Go out and do a run. I don't know if I'm personally ready to go out and do a run. You know, I can get out there and be like, you know, freak out or something. But you know, since the situation, but I got the car up and running, ready to build. You know, I figured, you know, I'll show y'all what's in it. Show y'all what I'm gonna be testing here. I got this motor on here, so let's see. Try and do this with one hand. Go over the build real quick. So these are just the China hobby lines. Everybody know about them. I got this little cat pack right here. I don't know. It's a super powerhouse. It got the little, tell you know how many cells you're running and stuff like that, which I like. I got the flow pack center brace. I got the perfect pass on here. I got the perfect pass on there. I got the perfect pass dry shafts on here. And you know, everybody know XLX2. This is a motor. I got I'm not sure if a lot of people are running this motor. You know, I don't know, but I want to try it out, so I got this motor. It's a 5670 CM 2510 kV motor. Yeah, by TP. Yeah, TP 5670 CM 2510 kV motor. So I wanted to try that out, you know, see what kind of numbers I can get out of it. But the car is kind of dirty because I've been testing it. Where I tested that, it's a lot of dirt. So, but that's what I got going on here. I'm try to get some runs, and I might try to go out there next week. You know, probably next week and see, you know, if I'm ready to run. The car is ready to run. I'm gonna take the car out there and see if I'm ready to run. So, but thanks everybody for watching. Oh yeah, the list. I post the list up at the end of all my videos. So anytime I post a video, I'll be posting the updated list. You know, I update the list as I see, you know, as I see runs, you know. So if I'm missing anybody or if you ain't where you're supposed to be on the list, you know, just leave a message and I'll correct it. You know, in the next video I'll post, it'll be at the end of the video. So, but I just wanted to let y'all know what I had going on here. And I'm going to try to get my run out next week. We'll see what's up. Alright, thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.